Viber's ease of use without login makes it a top messenger. In this video, we'll show you how to back up Viber messages on PC and where they're stored. Way 1. How to export Viber messages to PC directly. Open Viber on both devices. Scan the QR code on your computer using the app. Select Approve to log in. When prompted, choose Sync to back up and restore chat history on your PC. Way 2. How to email Viber chat history to PC. Launch the Viber app on your device. Press More Settings. Hit Calls and Messages to open the next menu. Press Email Message History, Calls and Messages. Now, you're required to send your messages as a backup. Compose an email in your chosen email app. Enter your own email address in the To field and send off the mail. Get into your email account on your PC. Download the Viber messages available in the inbox. Way 3. How to sync Viber messages via Google Drive. Open Viber, go to More Settings, Account Viber Backup. Choose an account to sync chats. Android users back up chats as text. iPhone users sync photos and videos. Log into drive.google.com on your PC to access the data. Way 4. How to back up Viber messages on PC using iTunes. Connect your iOS device to your PC and open iTunes. Select your device, then go to Summary and click Backup Now. Your data, including Viber messages, will sync. Afterward, check iTunes Edit Preferences devices for the backup.